Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the image background, or you can also remove the particular objects from the image. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you a tool which is free and available in all Windows system, and the tool name is called Microsoft Paint. Let me open Microsoft Paint here and let me open the example.png. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So in order to remove the background, we will use the Copilot feature which is integrated in Microsoft Paint. So remove background, and then we have to go inside these layers and we have to hide this background. Then the background will be eliminated, and we can also save this as PNG. Let's give it a name like example1.png, and to show that it actually works, I am inserting this particular image here in the slide, image example1.png. so you can see the background is successfully eliminated. The next example I want to show you here is the how you can remove the particular objects from the image. For example, you want to remove this button from the image. So what you need to do is again going into the Copilot feature, and here we have the option generative erase. Let's click on it, and for example I want to remove this particular button from the image. I will highlight this one, and then I will have to apply the generative erase feature, and it will remove the button once the processing is done. So yeah, you can see that the button object has been eliminated. So yeah, these are the ways you can either remove the background and remove the object from the images. You can also use the online platform like ChatGPT, but in most of the cases they also change the face structure or face features. So yeah, this is the easy tool which is free and available in all Windows system. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one.